Ugoko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Kwina thuguda ya kunyita Rigathi wa Gachagua thiini wa kuria Senate. Nitwonire Chelgai akiuga atiriri, uhoro wa gikuo giki kia blogger Maureen marauga ati Rigathi wa Gachagua ni abatie kunyitwo na ikio njera, na ati ucio niguo mubango wiho. Senator Wambua muthenya wa ira Rigathi wa Gachagua Murang'a niaramerire, inyue ni mwenda kunyita Rigathi wa Gachagua. Aramerire try and see mwene uria uguikara, ati ni mwakanirio kuhutia kirima Mount Kenya mugikihutia, riu gwetenderire na ciaca cianyu cigitendera pio. Marerwo geriai kuhutia Rigiji muone. Guys, and here comes a question. What if thirikari ino igerie kunyita Rigathi wa Gachagua? What will happen? Kaide mwire, angiko kwina mundu Gen Z mendete thaa ici ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Angiko kwina mundu thaa ici a Kenya mendete Gen Z a Kenya ni Rigathi wa Gachagua. Niki? Because he is able to fight this enemy. Remember, we have a common enemy. Gen Z a Kenya aige to opposition na Rigathi wa Gachagua. We have a common enemy. And who is this enemy? Must go. So if they try to touch him at kumutwara cell, I tell you, Kenya uthigiikarika. I tell you, mirungano iria igiko eko. Remember, Gachagua ni ana fight regime ino. Gachagua is the one fighting for Kenyans. If they can try to arrest him, I tell you, oya Wambua arauga no regret muno taigwai oria Chelgai araugire.
What is it hard, Madam Speaker? And I want to appeal to investigative agencies. One person who impregnated a young girl, the age of their children, Madam Speaker, they must be taken to court and prosecuted. We cannot, Madam Speaker, be talking about that. The reason
Guys, ucio ni Chelgai. Ndenda muigue oria nake Senator Wambua augire uhoro uyu wa kunyita Rigathi wa Gachagua na mubango uria ubangitwo wa kunyita Rigathi wa Gachagua. Wambua want them. Ona Eugene Wamalwa no aramarire, amera mwageria akia nani, you will regret. In video
ukiwa kule nyumbani kuna watu ambao wameanza kutoa vitisho kwa DCP leader ati wanataka kushika yeye, sijui wanataka kufanya nini. I want to make it very clear nikiwa hapa Murang'a, there are things you can attempt to do na ujiingize kwa shida ambayo wewe mwenyewe you can't even deal with. President Ruto and your government, we told you, yani in humility, we told you, usiguze mulima. You know, we just said, usiguze mulima. Na wao wakajifanya wanajua. Wakakuja wakaguza mulima. From the day waliguza mulima mpaka leo, hata hawajui wanaenda pande gani. Maneno yamekuwa magumu. And now you see what has happened after wameshika mulima. The mulima has become even bigger. Imeteremka mpaka Mount Kenya South, tuko hapo ndani. Imeteremka mpaka hata huko coast kwa bahari. Yani mulima imekuwa kubwa na imeteleza hata zaidi. We want to tell
guys, ucio ni Senator Wambua. Now Wambua want this government, don't try to arrest Rigiji. Iguna story no iromirire kuna video ande mwikire hau kenda ndamo yatirire story yo it's being irahuro na politics na riu niho marona kanya uria mangihota kunina Gachagua politically. They want to politicize this issue, but will they be able to politicize this issue? Can they be able to arrest Rigathi wa Gachagua? I've told you, I call it Jim Weno. Nekwenda ukinya mwisho abruptly. no manyitire Rigathi wa Gachagua. As we speak, Rigathi wa Gachagua ni politician oi a Kenya marigwa mwendete makiria because he's fighting this government. Amageria we kodo. Remember, Gachagua ni aroka aka expose kila kedo kia thirikari ino ifagete. So he has support of so many people and so many Kenyans are behind Rigathi. Opposition yake XA class ni hotete kuhinya thirikari ino igakinya mwisho. And that's what people want. That's what Gen Z want. So if they try kumuhutia hanini yo nitagoikia ihiga mwatu-ini kanta goikeria njuki ihiga nashiko ciombanite handu kwiko ni muti-ini cikanyita no wathi ugacikiria ihiga tagoikeria njuki ihiga. Remember, as we speak, maundu matirathii wega thiini wa bũrũri wa Kenya. Tikuga ati ona mirũrũngano yathira maundu ni mega. Kuna maundu mangi marathira no maundu maya matuju mekuo na maundu maria mangi mathii na mbere. So Akenya magiona kaundu kanini tukage trigger mirũrũngano no icoke na hinya muingi muno, especially mundu ta Rigathi angihutio no matrige mirũrũngano na mirũrũngano no icoke na njira nene muno. If they want to destabilize bũrũri wa Kenya, the only thing they can do ni kuhutia Rigathi wa Gachagua. As we speak, ono nimamenya tungimuhutia tungiuga ni kumunyita gutingiikari kama. Remember, I've told you one thing, Gen Z are behind Rigathi, and if you don't know, you should know that Gen Z are behind Rigathi. No makoriri hena maundu meri, they are behind him tondu ni Rigathi ni ahora their enemy, that is must go. No tugikinya barotini how they have maybe they have different opinion. No agikone go fight this enemy, and I have told you we have one common enemy, or enemy must go. Gen Zs are behind Rigathi. So if they touch Rigathi, nekuga Gen Z mashoke farafara, nekuga mirũrũngano icoke na gutingeikarika na gutingiko gwĩkwega. In fact, mirũrũngano ĩno tĩro yari Nairobi ĩkorwo ĩ kũndũ kũingĩ. So if they try to do such nonsense, agane megwĩka haceke na marauga ntukumunyita ntukumunyita uguo niguo matinda makiuga tukumunyita ntukumunyita. Ndurana ati riu uthuthuria ni urekwo. Anyway guys, let's wait and see tuone vile mambo itakuwa, but if they want to arrest Gachagua, they are on the wrong channel. Mego trigger mirũrũngano na njĩra nene muno, and of course they can't arrest him because Rigathi is a movement. Rigathi is not a joke. Rigathi ena andu aingi muno thutha wake. Mundu wothe uraresist thirikari ino thutha wa Rigathi. Thiini wa githurano barotini no makona opinion tofauti, but kuhura thirikari ino andu me thutha wa Rigathi, na ti andu anini, andu aingi muno, na andu matingitikira kuona Rigathi akinyitwo thetho thiini Rigathi oho aui. It can't happen. It can't happen because this guy, it's a movement. Mundu nerutire kwana na thirikari ino na njira nene muno na muno mauga maenda gwiko ni ndu wa kura Mount Kenya, not only Mount Kenya, kura Mount Kenya ni ndu angina githurano kia mwaka 27 tondu kiu ni kira mahe thina munene muno igwa Rigathi thina opposition. Remember, they can be able to handle other opposition leader. Rigathi atariho no Rigathi eho, they can't be able to handle opposition yake. Rigathi eho matingihota kumahutia. Rigathi eho matingihota gwika other opposition leaders. No Rigathi atariho, they can do anything. Na guku tikuria mwena wa Tanzania na ti Uganda magera kumanyita gero ni dictatorship niyo marenda gwika kana o dictator no igirite na andu mena njira nene muno o dictator wa iguru muno. Guku ni Wiki Podcast, mwoni manyu maiko nyuma wata. Thank you, God bless you.